Hi, in this session we are going to learn how to deploy static website on AWS S3. So these are the steps you need to follow to deploy a static website in S3. Step 1. Create an S3 bucket. Step 2. Upload your website contents to that S3 bucket. Step 3. Enable website property inside your S3 bucket. Step 4. Apply S3 bucket policy. Then step 5. You can access your static website which has been deployed on AWS S3. Now let's move on to lab session. Open your AWS portal. Move on to S3 service. Create a bucket. I just give a bucket name as Breno website. Create. So once a bucket is created, just upload your website contents to this specific bucket. I don't have any website contents, so I'm going to download some website from internet. Okay, I downloaded a website. Now I'm going to upload my contents. These are the website contents. I'm going to upload this to my S3 bucket. Upload. Now my website has been uploaded successfully. Now I need to enable website option inside S3 bucket. So go to properties, static website hosting. Just enable this specific property. Use this bucket to host a website, and you need to mention the first file or default file which is available in your website. In my case, that index.html is available in my website, so I mentioned index.html. In case if your website has login.html or some other files, just mention that file name. Save. I have enabled static website hosting. Now I need to apply a bucket policy. Just go to permissions, then bucket policy. Here AWS provided an option to generate your own bucket policy. Just click the policy generator. Here you can generate your bucket policy. I am going to choose S3 bucket policy. and it's for allow, anyone can access, so I just give asterisk, and it's Amazon S3 service. I just need to give get object, because since it's a static website, just users are going to download or read the contents from this bucket, so it's enough to give that action as get object. I need to give Amazon resource ARN, so users are going to access all the contents inside this S3 bucket. So I need to give, this is my ARN for this S3 bucket. Just give this ARN and going to access all the files or contents inside this S3 bucket. So put slash and asterisk. Now you can generate your policy. So my S3 bucket policy has been created. It provides access to all for read-only access. I copy my bucket policy and paste it here. If you try to save this bucket policy, it won't allow to save. So let me check. It shows access denied. So what you need to do is you need to disable the block public access. So just go to block all public access, edit, just remove it and save. Type confirm. Now you disable all block public access. Now you can apply your bucket policy. Just go to bucket policy, paste your policy content. Now save it. Now this has been saved successfully. Now you can access your website easily. Just go to properties, go to static website hosting. You can get the URL of your website. Just click this URL and your website can be accessed. Thank you so much for watching this video.